What's up everyone, Cre8ors here with a special video today on the brand new HERO8 Black from GoPro. They invited a bunch of us out to Europe last week to document an insane adventure with this camera. We started in Ibiza, Spain, finished in Innsbruck, Austria. You know what, let's just roll the clip.
We're not even an hour into this trip and you're already bleeding.
That's how we roll! What's up?
No.
Are you nervous?
So nervous.
It's okay to be nervous.
I'm gonna sleep on the plane.
Yeah, it's an hour.
And then we can cut to a scene of you filming me sleeping on the plane passed out.
Now we're up above the clouds, 3,500 meters.
We're in Saas-fee, baby!
Saas-fee, Switzerland, let's go!
So, Chris, I feel like we haven't really embraced the Swiss culture yet.
What's up?
Oh, never mind.
Oh shit!
What did you do?
I got shocked by something. Oh, that's electric.
Yeah, of course it is. You didn't know that?
No. It's sunrise here at Lake Como, but we stayed on the wrong side of the lake last night. I made a little phone call to a friend.
Hey dude, you call me and you tell me you need to get to the other side of the lake, I got you.
I don't even know if we're gonna make it to Innsbruck in time right now. Everything has gone so well until the last day. Oh, what? What an insane time in Europe. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, had the most ridiculous time. If you want to see some of the behind the scenes from this video, myself and Karoline will be posting all of it on our Instagram this week. If you want to know how we captured the shots, be sure to follow both of us to see how it was done, and I will see you guys soon.